I think she love me, cause I got the check on me. Won't spend it, then flex on me.
What is up, guys? It is 4/26, Monday, so that means big day. First game today. You know, we're not ballers, or at least I'm not a baller. I mean, like, I started rec league sophomore year of high school. Yeah, no, it's like senior year of college now, so yeah, not a baller, but we're still getting dubs. I got people to carry me. But yeah, I got an interview, and then I'm gonna go pick up Ming from St. Olaf all the way in Northfield. But see you then.
OET!
Where we headed?
To the Olaf, Mount Olaf.
Mount? I don't even think there's a mountain.
Bro, the whole campus on a mountain.
Kinda.
What you mean?
I would call it more of a hill.
Boy, that shit big as hell.
You ready to get some buckets?
Oh, God.
See, I made sure to get a team that can carry me to a championship.
Bro, you're the coach. You're a goated. My guy Carlos is our secret weapon.
See, yeah.
And I'm finna get the assist.
I got a team to carry me.
Whole lot of Zac Efrons, bro. That's who we are.
Shoot. I can't ball, but I want to ball. So what can I do? Get a team to carry me.
I could dance and sing. High School Musical summed up.
We out here. 20.
Turn that bitch up.
But I didn't listen, I was optimistic, and now I'm in the studio. She don't competition, they speaking and dissing, don't care about the bitches.
All right, this is our main hooper. He's dropping how many points tonight?
I'm gonna go cool 19.
19
A
points.
cool 19.
19. See, I told you. I'm not a hooper, but I got a team to carry
I'll
me.
go cool 19.
Got a team to carry me. Is why we're going undefeated. That's facts.
Okay, we need good basketball IQ.
Just got done eating some pho. And we're back chilling.
Good basketball
No
IQ.
less than 3 hours from game time, baby.
Where's my key?
I gotta unlock that.
Where's my?
All right, we ready to go? Get this dub. You know, ball's life, but we got starting point guard Chimingto.
Yes, sir.
And then you got our crucial bench supporting players. Carlos Delgadillo and Talesh Big Ball and Sing.
Is it what?
Yes, sir.
How we feel?
19 assists, 20 assists, 30 assists. We will need it. Faux Shaoli! Shming, unlimited green light. Carlos, unlimited green light.
go.
Caleb, unlimited green light. Talesh, unlimited green
We
light.
all need unlimited green lights on shoot, baby.
All the shooters are shooting.
Everybody's shooting.
As long as we play big on defense.
You gotta run.
That's factual. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you help me carry?
Yes, sir.
Can you carry the ball again?
Yes, sir.
Oh, shot.
This man was supposed to carry us. We got power forward.
We got him.
Chiming Tao.
Center to reboard.
Center Chiming Tao.
I'm tipping, bro.
Chiming's with the tip.
I'll definitely
Yes, sir. Can I get a money? Yes, sir. No, we're not screaming anything.
Oh, what's up? What's your name?
Let's get this dub. It's a fat middle school. We can't even find the gym. Where is this? We lost.
No, it's a good hit. They're making the easy shot.
Keep shooting, boys. We gotta play harder. Hey, make sure on those bigger dudes about straight up and down. Don't jump into them. You're not gonna get the block. At this point, just get the contest. Yeah, you're not gonna get the block. Just get the contest. Down by 3 points, halftime.
All right. When someone doesn't have the ball, someone set them a pick, so it's free. Right. Boys, we took a loss. It turns out we actually suck. So we apparently were like down by like, you know, a little over 20.
I'm pretty sure their team.
What's wild is we had them in the first half.
We'll be fine, bro.
And then we took that 5-point lead and then they cut our. No, they're 100% one of the better teams.
If they're one of the better teams, we'll be fine.
We'll be smooth. It's gonna be a good season, you know. It's always humbling to start off on a loss. You know, we'll just get them next time.
It's not about personality matrixels and charts. It's all about the bumps in your heart.